Okay, this video lesson is going to be solving quadratics, but I'm going to show you a shortcut basically using the Desmos graphing calculator, okay? So let's start by taking a look at this example. It says 6x squared minus 2x plus 3 equals 6x plus 11. And I want you to solve the following for x, okay? All right, well, this is going to be a quadratic equation. The first thing we need to do is put it in standard form, okay, where it says ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So we need everything on the right to be moved to the left. So again, there's different ways to show how to do that, but if we want to get rid of this 6x, then we make it the opposite on the other side, minus 6x. And of course, that goes with the negative 2x, so I put it under there. And then if we want to get rid of this plus 11, then the opposite on the other side, on the left side, will be minus 11, okay? Now I have my like terms lined up so I can just combine them. So it's going to be 6x squared minus 8x minus 8. And set that equal to 0, okay? So now that we've done the hard part of getting it into standard form, now I want to show you how we can do this with Desmos. Okay, so here's the equation. Again, 6x squared minus 8x minus 8 equals 0. I'm going to open up Desmos, and then I'm going to show you how to enter that into Desmos. All right. Basically, just go over here and enter it exactly as you see. Well, not exactly, but as you wrote it in standard form. Okay, so 6x squared minus 8x minus 8. All right, and you see that it graphs it for you. And the solutions of this quadratic equation is where it crosses the x-axis. So here's one right here at -2, 0. That means one of the solutions is x equals 2. All right. And then it also crosses the x-axis over here at -0.667. Now, technically, that's also a fraction, but that would be x equals -2/3. Okay. Well, we could write it both ways, but -2/3. Okay. So your solutions then are -2/3 and 2, okay? That's how you can use Desmos to solve quadratic equations.